How to change your age on Steam. Changing your age on Steam isn't as straightforward as just editing a profile field, but here is a real way to change your age depending on what you are trying to do. So let's get started. First of all, open the Steam in your browser and make sure that you are logged into your Steam account. Now here, let's simply tap on the search address bar at the top right corner and search for the game that we prefer to download or view trailer of. Then all you have to do is type down the name and tap on the name and navigate to the game section. So here, as you can see, Steam often asks for your age before showing trailers or pages for mature games. So here you can simply change the age according to your preferences. Simply tap on the date or month or year and change it, and tap on the view page option available there and refresh the page, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.